Don't sweat it, Denise.
No.
Got a lot of faith in you.
Right.
Doug, you
I will
have
have to
control.
go to channel number 3.
Channel 3. Public television. Only 3% of the population actually watch public television. Nobody knows the answer to the question. For 10 points. Name the physical law which simply states that the electrostatic force between 2 points charged in free space are proportional to the product amount of charge on the bodies divided by the square root of the distance. Doug, for 10?
Coulomb's law.
He got it!
I'm sorry.
Nice guess, Ace. What's the lead singer's name in this band? Doug for 20 points.
His name is Brian Murray.
Brian Murray, no. Freddie Mercury.